Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to uninstall or remove your secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So the first step of the operation would be finding your secure folder. Mine is in the up drawer, so I'm going to open it and you have to unlock it and press the little three dots icon and go to settings, and this will lead you to the settings of the a secure folder. And you can probably see it because we have the more settings here and it says uninstall, so just press on that and press uninstall, and this will remove the secure folder from your device. As you can see, it is in fact gone. So if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.